It's nice to finally have some time to ourselves, don't you think?
Absolutely. We rarely get to do this anymore. How was your day at work?
It was pretty hectic, to be honest. We had a major presentation, and everyone was stressed out. But I'm glad it's over. How was your day?
My day was quite busy too. I had back-to-back meetings, but I managed to finish everything on my to-do list. I'm just happy to be here with you now.
Same here. So, what are you looking forward to the most this weekend?
I think a nice long walk in the park would be lovely. Maybe we could visit the new bookshop we talked about. What about you?
That sounds perfect. I'd also love to catch up on some reading. I've been meaning to start that book you recommended.
Oh, which one? The mystery novel or the self-help book?
The mystery novel. I heard it's really gripping. Thanks for the recommendation, by the way.
You're welcome. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Speaking of books, have you heard about the new library opening downtown?
Yes, I did. We should check it out sometime. It's supposed to have a great collection of rare books.
That sounds interesting. We could make a day out of it, visit the library, and then maybe have lunch at that cafe nearby.
I'd love that. By the way, did you get a chance to look at the vacation options I sent you?
Yes, I did. I liked the idea of going to the beach resort. It looks so relaxing.
I'm glad you liked it. We both need a break. A few days by the ocean would be perfect.
Definitely. The kids would love it too. We should finalize the dates soon.
Agreed. I'll check my schedule and let you know. We can book it this weekend.
Sounds like a plan. Oh, and I wanted to ask, did you sort out the car maintenance?
Yes, I did. It's all taken care of. The car will be ready by tomorrow evening.
Great. Thanks for handling that. One less thing to worry about.
No problem. So, what do you think of the restaurant? It's our first time here.
I like the ambience. It's cozy and inviting. I hope the food is as good as the reviews say.
Me too. I'm excited to try the chef's special. It looks delicious.
I was thinking the same. Let's make this a regular date spot if the food lives up to the hype.
Absolutely. It's nice to have a place where we can unwind and enjoy each other's company.
Indeed. This is exactly what we needed, a quiet evening together.
I'm really enjoying this. Let's make a promise to do this more often.
I promise. It's important to spend quality time together, no matter how busy life gets.
Agreed. Here's to more evenings like this.
Cheers to that. And to us.